you. What happened to me? Yula, I will remove it now. I cannot see.
Okay, remove it. Wait, put it on again. I have something so funny I want to do.
Ay, te. Nag-record ako, te. Record. Alam mo ba, nung ginawa ni Remo, te? Gumawa siya ng picnic. Pero umalis sila, pumuntang Jarero. Papabili daw siya ng ano ba yun? Play-Doh. Tingnan mo kung anong ginawa niya, te. Hindi din, mabait si Joseph, hindi din niya ginulo ang ginawa ni Remo. Tingnan mo, te, tingnan mo. Yan. Aray ko. Siyang nag-arrange dyan. Pati yung ganyan, nilagyan niya ng salamin. Ano ba, Joseph? Huwag mo kulit. Yan. Hindi rin ginulo ni Joseph, hindi. Naku, may picnic siya. Gumawa siya ng picnic. Naalala niya yung picnic sa park. Kawawang bata. Ay, go there, go there in the aquatox. Ayun. Ay, okay. You have to clap your hand. Di pa nga ulit. Ladies and announcement, level 6 swimmer, you're up graduated from level 6 to level 7. Yay! Okay.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly?
Hari sa Simbasag, Dubai. Rohada, when Rorimo? Expo? Dubai Expo. Dubai. Not Math Expo. In Dubai Expo.
Green, red.
Aywa, bas Kabir say Hadi. Kabir. Hada service, hada Rohag Dubai Expo. Say hada. Kabir.
Why? There was people?
Yeah.
No, but
There's
there
a
was
lot.
people.
Yeah, hello po mga kabagtak.
I go in Chuck E. Cheese area.
Who's with you? Wala, mag-appointment na naman siya sa pagamutan ng tatay namin. Takbo-takbo na to. Grabing traffic dito talaga. 147. Pwede pa. Huh? You like the apple reds, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cut, done.
Rimo akila apple sim duda.
This one have a duda?
No, I tell you, you eat apple like a worm.
Why?
Because this one, the
What?
you remember the duda? What's that movie? Have duda Rimo? What's that? Have duda the apple?
No. Wood.
Oh.
I saw it. I saw it. Number?
Emo.
Sound.
Have to do some sound. Nanasad mi sa mga flower pot.
Where do you do something? You do like clock. Look at the birds.
Yeah, they're eating.
But no, but I want the bird to go down too.
To down.
Beaver hole so they see insects.
Okay. Run yun karon.
I need a bird.
Bagtak namin sulod sa jungle. Cute sila na birds. Waiting sa amin kasi lang mga bagtak. Napay giraffe. Wow. We're in the inside of the jungle room. Where is the elephant? There's the monkey. Where is the sheep? Flamingo. Remo, we have flamingo here, Bio. You see the flamingo? Yeah. See the flamingo? This one is what? And they have a giraffe. And then I will look for the elephant and the tiger. Elephant and the lion. And the crocodile. Complete. Tapos na. 2:58 mag-3. So mauwi kami by 4. Hold it good.
No drink it.
I will not give you.
No drink it. It's fine.
Who said yours only? Ah! Ah! Just don't make dirty. Ew. Oh. Beep, beep, beep. Ta-da!
No, son, don't look the vanilla ice cream.
No, it will not melt it. The sun is going down.
Hurry, the sun's gonna melt my
Yeah.
ice cream.
Eat your ice cream.
You have to kill the sun.
We will not kill the sun.
No, I don't want to
Kill the sun. Kill the
The
sun.
sun is making, the sun is angry.
No,
Yeah.
because it's hot. No,
The ice cream gives.
don't worry. It will not. Sophie, the sun is going down. It won't go up. Because it's nearly night.
Oh,
Yeah,
no, it's not gonna be night.
nearly.
No, the baby will not sleep. Everybody will wake up. It's morning.
Yeah, but nearly because it's 6 o'clock. Sophie, where's the sun? Sun, come out. Sun, come
What
out.
the sun doing? The sun is.
Ah,
sun is-
very circle the sun.
The sun.
Okay. Magandang hapon sa lahat. Nandito na naman. Ay, wala talaga kaming ano ba hinto ba? Puta. Ay, iniwan ako ng mga halimaw. Una sa tapos kami mga kabagta. Maglangoy ulit sila. Ito na. Ay, magchinelas siya. Ay, pauwi. Hindi na ako nagbitbit ng sapatos. The next time, change
Your fault. Your book? Tutorial.
I am level 1.
Wait. This
This
is
is my
tutorial.
swimming
No.
cup.
This is tutorial. Oh, how she looks like an egg. Start.
This is my swimming cap. I'm level 1.
She already looks like an egg.
Okay. Plus now, you there. You there.
Then she
Look
has
for the
this.
look for the play that we do yesterday.
Look at her now. She looks like an egg. Yeah.
I don't know. Happy like this one. Ginawa ko magkukulam. No! You can get it in even if you will not stop. It's getting farther now. Jump high, huh? Good evening sa akong bisita. Ang butog unsayang message nga na may butterfly sa among CR ni Jen. Kung nakita ninyo na siya, tsaka na siya color mga kabagtag, yellow, gray. Cute siya nga pagka-butterfly. And I'm not expecting kung nabay butterfly aning wamantay bulak among life. And nagid siya sa sulod sa CR na mo, tag-asang siya gikan. Asang siya nanganak. Yun saan siya pag-anak. Basta kayo na siya sa sulod sa mong CR. Shout out sa iyo, butterfly. Shout out. May 30. May 29 pa siya. May 29. 2023. Monday. For the record na. Hi, butterfly. Fly high. Yella, get in the boat. The boat is sinking. The boat is sinking. Yella, so we can deflate it. Umalis ng mga bus, umalis na pala yung bisita na. Ha? Hindi ko marinig, uy. Hindi ko talaga natanong si ano, yung... Asawa mo? Asawa mo, hindi mo alam. Hindi ko siya kilala. Nakasawa ko pala siya. Tangin na.
Hello po mga kabagtag, good afternoon. Maski pag nalaay na ako sa akong life. Gilaay lang ko pero na-inspired pagyapon ko sa akong nag-iisang ko ni Kaiha. Salamat na lang na naa siya. Nang akong gingon na siya. She is my magical strength. Lakanon sa nalang kahano kung ma-fail. Basta dili lang tamang negative mga kabagtag. Although kapoy na gid siya. Kapoy na, gusto na kay kumuli. Samot na ako na lang isa. Laka. Unsa na lang ka, ay makakita lain na sa nang kauban na nabitaw kapoy kaayo. Pero okay lang. Wala ko'y mahimo. Kay muli po akong partner. Muli akong kauban. Naman po'y purpose yung paguli. Long years na sad siya diningaw lang ulit. So I will pray for her travel safe. Please huwag kayo na forever na naano siya hindi pa niya mati man ang mga bata po niya. Pero basta lang. Basta kaya na to na tanan. Kaba. May kaba syempre. Kasi hindi mo pa alam kung anong klaseng taong makasama mo ganun. Pero basta bahala na sa Batman ito. Lilipad tayo. Nang may lilipad tayo ng may panty. Ay. There in the Yosef. Oh my God, it's Mario. Mario Harry. Mario Harry, we want to marry you. Itong Mario na to, ang tagal, ang tanda-tanda na nitong Mario na to. Na Super Mario.
Yala, 3 of you. Yala.
Where's the good place?
See, I have this.
Where na? Come.
Guys,
Ay, ready na tayo. Mario, ako yung tatlo. Umarap kayo dito, Mario. Aywa? Mario. Mario picture man, Mario.
Yala, okay. Yala. Mario. Yeah, Japanese.
Bigla lang. Oy, Japanese. Cantonese.
Our life.
This is our life in
Sardinia.
Saturday. My God.
Riyadh.
Oh my God. Salman. Sway.
No, don't make me hold it.
No. MCK. MCK Salman.
Nice.
MCK Salman. Yay.
How come you always burn my hand?
It's not burned up. It's.
Maria, stop acting like a coconut girl.
Well, I am not a coconut girl. I am a watermelon girl.
Do you even know what a coconut girl is? It's those preppy girls.
We're going swimming today. I'm the coconut girl. That girl is watermelon girl. And what are you? What kind of fruit
I
are
feel
you?
like I'm a coconut girl.
What kind of fruit are you?
Coconut girl is an aesthetic. It's
Okay.
not like a personality type thing.
Okay. It's rare.
By the way, the thing stopped recording.
Why?
I don't know. It just stopped recording by itself. I'm recording it now. It's recording now, but it stopped recording.
How many minutes it's done?
I don't know.
I hope it's not full in the memory. I need phone new, Papa, but we don't have time to go to the mall.
Today I'm going to Jahir.
Where do I go?
You want to
I want
come?
to see.
Okay. I'll tell my dad to take you guys.
With your daddy?
Yeah. After swimming. Because I want to get a canvas to paint on.
I want to see what I want to see. Phone.
Khalas, okay? I'll tell him to take us. And then at least when my mom comes back, so Khalid Tamar is not alone.
Oh, hopefully.
So when my mom comes back, we can go.
Oh.
All. Yeah, even with Khalid. Because Khalid Tamar doesn't like going outside.
Yeah. Why?
I'm hungry.
He's very
Mary, I
different,
don't know if I'm holding the camera right, because the time thing is here on the side.
What happened?
See?
It's a long way. I'm the what? Your coconut?
I'm coconut girl.
And then me. Leave me.
Uh,
What me?
I'm thinking Peppy. There's Peppy and then coconut girl aesthetics.
Don't like
Peppy is the vibrant girl with the light pastel colors. Light pastel and vibrant.
my God.
The one with the cowboy hats, the vibrant cowboy, the pink cowboy with shimmer, and the smiley faces and the lightning bolt. That aesthetic.
That's problem for the new society to the newborn babies.
Gen Z.
They are so
I am Gen Z.
me. I am
Yeah, this new generation is Gen Z. Remo's Gen Z. Me, I'm Gen Z.
and me. Old Z.
Millennial. No, older than you. Millennial. And I'm millennial.
6, 7, 8.
I didn't fix my hair.
You buy comb, you bring comb and bakla.
I brought two buckets.
Okay. The glasses is
Oh my god, the glasses.
the glass
Look at you
turns
and Dream.
glasses.
Look at you and Dream.
Yay. There's nice for that, so it will not fall down because my nose is not good.
You know, that's like this.
Okay.
I just wear like this. Look, the nose, okay? You like this. The again and again at the cow. The big the cow. Not the cow. The big bad wolf.
Uy, big bag wolf.
That is you.
Remo, can you make the camera look at me?
Show. Here, how? I will help you, Remo.
Remo, when you see yourself being mad after this video is done, you're gonna be so embarrassed.
I'll be bad on kids.
Okay.
Yeah. I want it.
No.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you don't say please and you are rude. You don't get what you want.
Please, I want the phone.
No, because you didn't even say sorry.
Kalas na. We're here. Do not cry. Halakabo.
Don't cry, does the opposite.
Look at him.
I want to record her face. Ow! Maria, not Jojo Siwa.
You can't be Jojo Siwa.
I don't want to be Jojo Siwa.
Kalas na.
She pulled her hair so high, she's bald. She only has a ponytail. This is the only piece of hair she has.
Oh my God, Jojo Siwa.
She's just bald.
Aywa. Let's Jojo Siwa this again. Where I go?
I don't know, on your face.
No.
Put it in your legs to shut up. Don't actually, ew! Go wash it. Go wash it. I'm trying.
If tap, she can tap. Better. Nice idea.
Maya, go clean the clip. Go wash it. Put your filthy. Promise that the ending always takes them by her toes. Look like rotten molded. It looks ugly ASM. Promise that the ending always takes them by her toes. Look like rotten molded. It looks ugly ASM. Even that tiny one looks like ugly. Promise that the ending always stays the same, but your nose look like boogers and toad, and it looks ugly.
Boogers and toast.
The first, yeah, listen to me.
Listen, do rahab, tigiga.
You know the scene in Puss in Boots, the first one, where
Alaga. Wala ko uyab dito eh. Ako nang wala ko ibana chugi na. Dugay na kay Ginoo ko di si size anyos nang walay nagilab. Oy, di ko kasulod. Kay magwala. Ay diri ibungbong na niya sa.
Wala.
Amo, wag yun na limpyo. Sige ko kasunod dito. Maglagop lagi ka kay dili man ko dili mo kasi arang nagbantay. Hindi mo magay pa si arang nagbantay no. Lo ay kay tatay. Ano siya? Ikaw magbantay ato? Okay, hinuko. Nani cellphone na TV. Mudagan pagit sa mga kwarto-kwarto. Amo mga yabi di pa dito. Murag na maligay yabi. Surprise! Pila ko. Murag na pastritig na dinikanan ko.
wala ka na to sa mata yun.
Nabata pa 7 years old. Guwapo. Napakita ng boy. Nag-enjoy na kasi.
Enjoy.
Ako na nanghid. Here, it's so shining, shimmering. Say hi. Very hot. I have gophers. I'm scared. let's go. Bye-bye na to the bird. Bye-bye, bird. Bye-bye. Yala, let's go na. Let's go na. Kalas na, kalas na. Maghanap kami ng phone. Budget, 800 ang budget. That is your iPad? That is the price, 2,000? Oh my God, I want to do wiwi. Yeah, wapal kayo. Oh my God. That's the only thing if I want. Because I look at the brand first. Samsung had a set? Galaxy sa Iowa. Halas na, that's enough. Yeah. 799, so 800. 800, I will count my money. 800.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah.
I think the recording is allowed.
This is me. 5. Okay, enough. This is 800. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, enough. Yes.
You're only gonna have one, yeah? Change.
Okay, ginago. Ay, at last, nasolo ko si Remo. Na walang kulot. Kulot. Salamat at nasolo ko nga si Rim. Walang makulit na bata. Wala si Rahab. Salamat, salamat. Afternoon, maski pag nalaay na ako sa akong life. Gilaay lang ko pero na-inspired pagyapon ko sa akong nag-iisang puni kaihang. Salamat na lang na naa siya. Nang akong gingon na siya. She is my magical strength. Lakanon, sana lang kahano kung ma-fail. Basta dili lang tamang negative mga kabagtag. Although kapoy na gid siya. Kapoy na, uy, gusto na kayo kumunguli. Samot ako na lang isa. Laka. Kung saan na lang ka, ay makakita, lain na sa lang kauban na nabitaw, kapoy kaayo. Pero okay lang, wala ko'y mahimo. Kay, muli po na akong partner, muli akong kauban, naman po'y purpose yung pag-uli. Long years na siya din yung ulan ng ulit. So, I will pray for her travel safe. Yay! Hi! Thank you so much sa hindi ko masabi. Thank you so much Pakita for the cake. At pangako no. At congratulations Sir Tamar. Congratulations Sir Tamar. Yun yung may uniforme na at ID doon. Doon nakasabit, ano ba? Kahapon ako nung nagplansya, Lucky Charm. Ay, thank you so much. Naku, hindi niya kilala. Ba't siya? Taga saan to siya? Taga saan? Ang kapatid din ang kulot na parang si Sam. Parang si Usama. Bin Laden. Ay, Usama? Sabi mo kasi Usama. Ano ba naman kasi siya eh? Parang siya yung taga rito. Parang siya yung taga doon. Eh, taga rito man siya. Ginalabi mga kabagtag. Kakain na kami. Ang cake. Kakapoy magpaabot. Giatay lang. Dili yun ako mabuhat sa kinabuhi na kung magulat ba. Wait patiently. Animal ng wait patiently. Asa na ni? Pula na kayo. Luto na kayo sa mga tanan. Ano yung mao? Ay.
What a fairy drive!
Yeah, when are you gonna set up your new phone?
June 8. I'm not busy. I'm not busy. I'm busy. So I will wait for the dress for that wrap because you know my hand. By the way, June 8, 2023. Wow. Remo have end of the school. Class na. So next week is perhaps exam. Okay. Now we will celebrate. We will celebrate just Rahab and Rim and me in the joy song.
I will cook you.
Yeah.
I will clean
Today
you.
my bracelet.
We will celebrate.
I ordered like 10,000 of these, but
I will clean you.
so, hey, my friend gave me this. Friendship.
Yeah.
She knitted it herself.
She know that?
Yeah.
Mashallah.
Shut up.
This one.
I will come down at the clean down. I will clean
It's a friendship pack.
Yeah. Continue.
Skip it up, behave.
Take this and in the back, braided and stuff.
Listen, Bo.
So pretty. I love it so much. And Samira gave me this with the stickers.
Samira. Mashallah. Yeah.
The skippity dump the
And
toilet.
No one will follow toilet as we're not in the bathroom.
Tell it. By accident, I ordered the same thing as her,
Okay.
but we're happy with it because now we have matching seashell things.
Ah.
Show them.
The seashells. Ah, Sigay. This is Sigay in our place. We have a lot of like this.
Oh, yeah, it's not showing.
You show it. It's shell. It's a shell.
The shell one. She actually has one like it. So now we have matching bracelets, and we didn't even intend to do it. She sent me the link. She's like, "Oh, this bracelet is so cute," and I was scrolling like mindlessly, and I was like, "Oh, this looks cute," and then I ordered it, and then I took it to school, and she's like, "Oi, that's the one I sent you," and I was like, "Ah!"
And then they say,
Because when I was buying it, I was like, "Wait, what is it?" It's just a seashell. Maybe it's just a seashell.
there's a tongue twister for that.
Yes, I was gonna ask you about a tongue twister.
Seashell in the seashore.
Seashell in the seashore. That one's so easy. Oh my god.
The other one, I don't know. I tell you.
Peter Piper.
Piper.
Oh, Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers.
A pack?
A pack of pickled peppers?
Peter Piper.
Okay. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. You're making me this up.
Not me.
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who? Remo.
I'm gonna do that. You do that.
You do that. Hey, no!
Don't bite. We have to put
Hey, Monster Cave. You can sit
No.
down.
this one. You don't know it? This one.
I see it, the bush like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Chichi or Bang.
Chichio Bang.
It's like this.
Chichio Bang! Hi, Mickey. Where are you? Where's the Mickey? You're here.
Look.
Ah, look.
This.
Hi, no one's in here? Anybody home? No.
Not home.
We will crawl, whatever. Who's in charge in here?
We have to crawl.
Okay. Muffy? You see there? He's not the one there. Go down!
What?
Can you go down? Of course I can. Of course I can. You're the in charge in here, ma'am? Yeah. La, 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 la. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, let's go. Open the umbrella. The lady's there. She's the one in charge opening the door.
And then she's gone.
Yeah, she's gone. I don't get to ask mommy. When we come out, I will ask the other door. When we come out, we will ask for money for Salman. Salman, you have money? We can get inside again. No more, sir.
Why?
I want to buy there.
Where?
Maybe I will look for my 10 real.
Oh, you want to buy from the vending machine?
Yeah, you know?
I want to go in the fence.
Go outside and just ask them for money and then go to the papaya.
No.
I want to go in the fence.
Just in the vending machine I want, but I have 10 real here, no problem. I will,
You have?
maybe. I will look the. Okay, 10 real there, so we can buy.
My shoes.
No.
You're gonna match with my dress after.
Why you don't bring slipper?
I told you I can't find them.
You don't find your slipper behind your table, Baniti?
It's not there.
Ay, Rahab.
Is it there?
Yes! My God. Kalas. Ay, kami po yung pinaka-early bird sa Aquatots. Kami lang. Si Aquatots.
Need a shoe.
Why you bring the shoes? Put it back there. Put it back. All. Naam.
I thought I forgot the brush and then I look at the chair. Now my nose is laughing.
You better. Why there? I want you here.
My nose.
Okay. You will swim, but not now. It's too early. Or the first honor.
Mungkin lahir sa Tarapasar para sa Indonesia.
Bahalag na ka. Bilak-bilak. Basta kay video. Hanggang pag-aayaw kong baby. Put your glasses. I want to take picture for you there and outside. Yeah. Paris na kami. It's afternoon. Nagwapa ay siya. Okay, it's afternoon. Here, baby. Shwaya, baby. Dito lang ako sa siyang picturean mga kabagtak kay guwapa. Kaysa sa tanan, di basta-basta. How much? Sige. Na may kwarta sa sponsor. Guys, How to do? Enter number. What's that? Put the coins. Ano ka man ipagtrabaho? Excuse me. We want to buy it, okay? What to know? How to do?
With cash.
I don't know.
Prices are...
I think there is no cash.
I think it's either card or coin.
I think coins. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. So, you try, Rob. You try. You try.
Do I put in... What do you want?
This one, she said donut. How much? Okay. 2 reals. Me no. Just yun ra. Ay, ray mo. Okay, 2.
You want a cocktail?
You will take one by one.
Okay, Remo first. Donut. Put your money. Okay. Yambak ang kwarta. Yala, put it again po ba? Come on. Maybe again. Sa ay. Okay. Shield. Credit. Number and letter. Letter of the select. What is the number that? The donut. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah. It's releasing. Jump now. We will
Open
make
the
it.
van door, yeah, open it. Okay.
Have there. Okay. Nanang donut ni Remo.
You have three that you want to buy again.
Again.
What?
7 man siya. What do you want, Rap? We have still 7. What you want?
Okay. Water.
Okay, water. 3C, 1 real. Hala!
Nice.
Chug.
No. Go.
Boom. Funny. Yeah. Okay.
If you want more or
Yellow, we still have 6 real.
Do you want anything?
Me, I said no. You and Ra. Rim have water also. Okay.
Again?
Yeah, that's for her. Okay.
Do you
Yeah, no more. I want the for real. How to get the change?
yeah, I think it's an enter number of like.
No more.
Yeah, there is no.
Click here to redeem the receipt. And then what is this?
What do you want?
No, I don't want. For real. Yeah, baby, it's done. Press
Yeah.
Iwa.
Press.
Iwa, press rap. No? What's happened to you?
Maybe that one goes.
No, it worked. Choppy.
Click here to read.
What you have, Remo, in the vending machine?
Donut.
Donut. Show them the donut. Yay, donut. You have Cheetos. What's that? Donut and water. Me, I have Doritos, my favorite. B, let's go, B. Here, B.
I very strongly disagree with you.
Why?
The natural Doritos is just like...
I have this Doritos. Alam na namin ang vending
Are you not
machine.
eating? I'm gonna
Yes.
get my water.
You can't stop eating. Get your water, eat your water, drink your water.
Oh, that feels good.
Okay.
Hurry up. The best feeling is when you're in the heat and you drink cold water.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nag-enjoy na kami kumain sa mga binili namin sa doon. Marami na kami
oh, yum.
Eh?
You can have the sweet chili with it. Hurry up. Her Doritos?
It's such sweet. Yeah.
Sweet chili.
Yeah, sweet chili.
Chili? There you go. You wanna try? No, it's not very sweet. That was for Mario. You wanna try it? Give me one.
Hold it, I want. Sorry, it's a dog. You like it? You like it really?
Mario, her first week was like this. See?
You like it?
See, Mario, she was like this. I like.
Ah,
You don't like it?
me? Okay. I have already here.
Mario, my cool cup holder. The bottle's stuck on it. Hi, Gaypoli.
Hi, Gaypoli.
Hi. Mario,
Naku lang!
give me win.